Alright guys, welcome to Dyna Demos, MotoVlog 2. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and this is take 2 of our second MotoVlog.
Yep. My camera stopped recording at 7 minutes and 45 seconds. So, yeah, that's pretty frustrating. I've been having the freaking damnedest time with this freaking camera equipment. But anyways, we're back on the road. And yeah, we'll just get into it. We've had a couple questions. You guys have also, if you subscribe to our channel, you've probably seen our Kitzel gauge pod install with the Gorilla Cables harness. One guy reached out to me and he asked, hey, does it obstruct your view? Well, the answer is no. All right, I look right over these. They don't obstruct my view at all, or if they do, I don't even notice it. I'm 5'10 and a half, about 5'11. I see right over it all right, and I like looking. I like looking at it, you know, in front of me. Vice down here at this where we have the block off plate from Kitzel as well. So I know someone reached out to Lego and was telling them about some angled inserts or something.
Oh yeah, so guy reached out and he was saying that Speed King sells the angled spacers or bushings, whatever you want to call them, because he bought some gauges off FXR and Dyna Parts Trader. You know, if you watch our channel, you probably know about them on Instagram. Anyways, he bought whatever buckets for the gauges, you know, whatever you want to call them, and he was catching really bad glare off of his gauges, so he went out and bought the angled spacers. But the way that Kitzel makes the gauges, he angles the bracket so you're not going to catch glare off your gauges, and it's just the small details, you know, good craftsmanship. And yeah, I freaking love these things. I never even thought about it because I never had glare in my eyes, and I think Rod felt the same way. He was like, yeah, I never really even thought about the glare just because we never had it.
Yeah, never had it. Never had any issue with these things before. But like I said, it's better than looking down here. But yeah, but while we're down here, you can probably see we're also running the flush mounted caps on our gas tanks. I think it really cleans up the bike. Really like them. Pretty awesome. What do you think, Lego?
Yeah, I think it really cleans it up, you know. And the thing about it is, like, this Dyna Lowrider S, it comes pretty blacked out, you know. There's not a lot of chrome on it, but for some reason they just decided to put these huge gas cap and then the fuel over here, you know, and it just really didn't fit the bike, and I feel like this fits the bike a lot better. The only thing about it is maybe the gas gauge, I don't know if it's calibrated correctly. I feel like sometimes it's a little off. Lucky with the Lowrider S, you actually have your fuel up on your gauges that you could cycle through, and it tells you how or your range.
Yeah, I mean the same. I think they're pretty awesome, but I'm not quite sure on the calibration. Maybe one time when I'm feeling brave, go out and test it out. But besides that, I love them. Clean up the bike really nicely.
Yeah, and you can probably see from Rod's camera the S&S air cleaner, so really excited about that upgrade. You know, I feel like I'm getting more throttle response. I don't know if it's just in my head or not, but right now I'm running the auto tune feature that Vance and Hines has on the Fuel Pack 3, and what it does is it collects data while you're riding, so when you get back, you can download the map, you know, and it learns how you ride, and it takes all the sensors, you know, takes everything, and it learns how you ride. Then you download the map, and then the next time you go out and ride, you can run the same feature, and then it just keeps learning more and more how you ride. You know, it goes through all the gears, through the RPMs, and just gives you a better ride. So I'm currently doing that right now.
Yeah, shout out to trip_HP junkie. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram or YouTube, check him out. He does MotoVlogs, pretty cool dude. I was having problems with my mic. As I said at the beginning of this video, I've been having freaking problems with everything, but he got me squared away. I was running the Purple Panda lavalier, was having a lot of crackling with that thing at high speeds. I think me and Lego shot like 4 takes of MotoVlog 1, and yeah, I mean, it's really frustrating because we had some really good footage and my audio was shit. But yeah, he recommended a microphone off Amazon that I was originally looking at. He said he's running it, so trying it out, and it's been working out so far. So shout out to Trip again, Trip_HP Junkie. Check him out, pretty cool page.
Yeah, and actually after this ride, we're headed to Harbor Freight, right? It's kind of the dude's Toys R Us. You know, you spend $1 million in there, but you're not really gonna spend $1 million because everything's so cheap. It's awesome. Freaking love that place. But motorcycle lift is on sale right now for $280. Normally $400. You know, I've seen it all over the place, but I seen it on Trip's channel and really inspired me. You know, I was just like, man, I really need that, especially with some of the mods that are coming up. It's gonna make our life a whole lot easier. You know, you don't gotta bend down, put your knees on the concrete anymore. And that leads us to the future. We got some exciting mods coming, especially on Rod's bike. He just got a, I'm not gonna ruin it. You know what, I'll let him talk about it.
Yeah, I got a little package in the mail that I don't see a lot of guys running it. Like I said, we don't want to kill you guys with the suspense, but I'm going to. But really excited, like Lego said, of our next videos coming up. You know, and I think this motorcycle lift is really going to help it out. But yeah, we've had a lot of guys reach out to us, tell us how much of a help our videos have been, and like we said in the last MotoVlog, you know, that's pretty much why we did it, because we were just kind of sitting around one day and said we should start a YouTube channel, because a lot of these parts that a lot of places, you know, charge $75, $100 to an hour to install, you know, you could put on yourself. It's just there wasn't really good YouTube videos out there, in-depth YouTube videos, and we still see it. We see a lot of good videos on YouTube, but you gotta maybe watch 2 or 3 because they skip over tiny, minute details that are very important. So yeah, shout out to, you know, all our subscribers, all our viewers. You know, we're glad we can help. If there's anything that, you know, we might not have covered, you know, message us or send us a DM on IG. Alright guys, so when we were riding, or earlier in the video a couple minutes ago, you probably saw my sweet hat. Me and Lego got some shirts, some hats made, so we look official now when we bring you our bids. Let us know what you guys think. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for MotoVlog 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thanks to our subscribers and everybody. But that's gonna do it for Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Thank you.